What's up, y'all? Welcome back. My name is Linnea, and if you're new here, I live in the suburbs, and we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient where we can. We garden, we make sourdough, we do recipes, we do all the fun things. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If you're not new here, welcome back. Hi, love you, miss you. Anyways, today we are going to be making jalapeno cheddar sourdough. And I'm going to be doing it a little bit different than I feel like most people do it. I think it was on YouTube. I saw a short of someone doing this particular way, but it was on pizza. And I thought, I'm going to try doing that for sourdough. And I know I'm not making any sense, but that's because I don't want to tell you about it until we actually do it. So, let's go make some sourdough and put jalapenos in it. Let's go. Alright, in this bowl I have 375 grams of warm water. And I'm gonna add 100 grams of active starter. Well, that's 120 grams. We're adding 120 grams of active starter. If you're new to this channel, I just roll with things. If it says 100 grams and I accidentally put 120 in there, we're just doing it. That's just how we roll on this channel. So we're gonna mix this together, and then we'll add the flour. Put this back on the scale. Now I'm going to add 400 grams of regular all-purpose flour. And then I'm going to add 100 grams of whole wheat flour. So 500 grams total. Alright, now we're going to mix it up and cover it for 30 minutes. And then after we let it sit for 30 minutes covered, then comes the fun part, and I have never done it this way before, but I like to experiment on this channel, and I don't test things usually before I make a video on them, because I think that's part of the fun. So once we come back after this 30 minutes, then we'll do the fun part with the jalapeno. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes, and we are going to add 12 grams of salt. And then we will do the fun part of adding the jalapenos in a fun way. I said jalapenos, but it's only one. I am done with the scale. We're gonna need this. And we're gonna need a frozen jalapeno. Oh, it won't focus. Per usual. Okay, so hold on. Alright, so I was scrolling YouTube shorts. I'm pretty sure it was on YouTube. And I saw someone take a frozen jalapeno and they were grating it onto their pizza sauce before they baked a pizza. Like, they had pizza dough uncooked with sauce on it, and then they grated the jalapeno onto it, and then they added cheese and, you know, all the toppings. And I thought it would be really cool if we could basically just like grate jalapeno into the bread instead of having full chunks. So we're gonna give it a whirl. And I'm gonna do this probably for the entire jalapeno. And I'm doing it now because I really want to mix in the flavor of the jalapeno into the bread. So I'm gonna move this and set it up better and do this. Maybe. I'm trying to decide like how much I want in the bread. Also, it's like super cold on my fingies. It's like jalapeno dust. You know, I have a feeling it's gonna be a super unappetizing green color when I'm done. But you know. I'm gonna call that good. That's like, I use most of it. And now I'm gonna like mix this in and then I'm gonna immediately touch my eyeballs. That's what's gonna happen. 100%. It smells really good. It's gonna definitely turn into like an ugly color. Oh, look at all of it. Oh, that looks so gross. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for like 30 minutes and then do some stretch and folds. All right, so for the next 2 hours, every 30 minutes, I will be doing stretch and folds. That's a jalapeno seed. So that's 4 sets of stretch and folds. So yeah, 2 hours, every 30 minutes. This is what we're doing. Also, my bread is not a funny color of green. I thought it was gonna be terrible, but it's not. It looks regular with some like hints of green. I probably won't film all these stretch and folds because like it's boring. Ooh, she's sticky. All right, I'll be back. Guys, Jonathan's here.
No, I'm not.
He's not here. He's not shaking a protein drink. So we're gonna last stretch and fold and then we're gonna let it stay here for 2 hours. Well, probably like 4 hours. Jonathan's being all silent. Smells very jalapeno-y. Okay, so I'll be back in like probably 4 hours. Guys, Jonathan is very, oh, it's so dark over there. He's very excited for his motorcycle. I'm sure we'll show it.
You can't see me.
I can't see you because it's very dark over there. Like, I can't even see your face. So, I'm just staring at yourself.
No, I think I got that stuff you gave me on me. That jar like leaks every time you open it.
Oh, I gave him some electrolyte drink and Johnny
Good help.
spilled. John B. spilled.
But I don't
Did
actually
you?
see it. I like dabbed it up. Yeah, you can slightly see it. You have to, like,
It's okay. You need to wash that shirt anyways.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. We're gonna take Calvin outside. And then I'll see you guys in like 4 hours. Okay, so now that I made my drink, I'll wait for that to like mix in. This is the bread. Oh, you can't see it. It got huge. I probably overdid it. But, you know, I was busy. And it is what it is. So, I'm going to take it out of the bowl. We're going to shape it. I'm going to shape it twice. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit on the counter like this for about 30 minutes while I go take a shower, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna laminate it again and add jalapenos and cheddar. So I will be back after my shower and after I drink my drink. Alright, I have had my shower. I am not hot and sweaty anymore. And I'm gonna shape this again. And we're going to add jalapenos and cheddar. I just sliced up like a little bit of jalapenos. Because the bread already definitely smells like jalapeno. So. And I have cheddar cubes. They're really big cheddar cubes, but I don't care. Will I overload this? Probably. Do I care? No. Definitely not. We have some small ones that we'll just throw in here. Should we pay the cheese tax to Calvin? You guys want to pay the cheese tax with me? Come. He literally lets everything hit him in the face unless he knows what it is. Like, now he knows that it's cheese, so he'll catch it. Alright. Let me get back to this. Let me push all this down. Just kidding. Alright. So I'm basically just going to cover this, put it in the fridge overnight, and we'll bake it in the morning. So, I'll see you guys all in the morning. Okay, so I just took this out of the refrigerator because it's the next morning, and it like puffed up a lot more than any other bread ever had. Ooh, that's nice. Any other bread ever has for me. So, you know, it's like overflowing. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, I'm gonna bake it at 450 for 25 minutes. Alright, so it's been 25 minutes and I just lowered the oven temperature to 425 and I'm going to take the lid off and then probably bake it for another 15 to 20 minutes depending on how brown it is. So, I'll see you in another 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so here it is. She looks beautiful. I literally just took it out, so I'm gonna go run some errands and then we will cut into this. So, we'll see you in a little bit, and I'm sure we'll have Jonathan try it. Should I put that on the video?
No.
Yeah, try it.
No. Calvin.
Calvin's like a cat with a laser.
Calvin is this thing.
We shouldn't be teasing him, but we like to tease him.
You don't want to get in your eyes either.
I know. Thanks, you're helping. That looks tasty.
Nope. It's horrible.
Do you want to try
Zero
it
out
with
of
me?
one. Zero
Do you
out
want
of
to
10.
try it? Why do you be that way? John's like actually just going for it. Does it taste like jalapeno?
No. Tastes like if you go get like a jalapeno pano bread.
A what?
It's called pano bread. What is it called? Pantene or kind of like the flat one we did once.
Like focaccia?
I don't know. I'm pretty sure it starts with a P.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. So good.
Mm-hmm. But like did I tell you what I did?
Mm-hmm. You grated the jalapeno. Mm-hmm.
You can actually taste it like throughout the
Yeah.
bread. And it's not like a horribly green color.
Mm-mm.
It tastes like jalapeno. Oh, he's looking it up. Everyone just gets to watch Jonathan Google something.
I don't know what I'm thinking. There's definitely a thing, but that's not what I was. Never mind.
Alright, well, I told them that we're basically just gonna film us making pizza this weekend. So, that's gonna be our next video.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Anyway, Jonathan, say goodbye.
Bye.
Alright, we'll see you over the weekend, Memorial weekend. Yeah, bye.